individuality, and welcome to Arborland. Today we're going to show you our COVID-19 safety procedure. Let's go! Let's go!
There's nothing more important than the safety of the students and all our hardworking teachers. Arborland has done so much to make sure that we provide a safe environment for everyone. We have health questionnaire to screen everyone to make sure that you don't have any of the COVID-19 symptoms and you are not exposed to anyone before you are even able to make it to our door. Once you come to our door, we of course measure everybody's temperature. It's a non-contact thermometer.
Yeah. Thank you. Ready for class? Okay, let's go.
During this time, it's so important for the parents to know that we actually have changed our regular drop-off and pick-up procedure. They are multiple entrance for drop-off and the same entrance that becomes exit for pick-up. Of course, it's to avoid the crowd situation. And it's also a daily sheet. You no longer flip over the binders. You see one sheet and you look for your child's name and you pick up a disinfected pen to sign in your child. And after you have done that, just put it to the used one. So the office will be able to disinfect that.
Hi Thomas, good morning. Come in. Can I take your temperature? 97.2, you're good. Thank you.
The changes that I made to the classroom are the social distancing, so I've arranged the tables where there's the 6 feet apart. And then we also have the children. Before, the children used to take their activities and they would put it back on the shelf for the next person. So now we have a central location where the children have to take their activity. We call the blue table, and they put their activity there. I sanitize it before it goes back on the shelf for the next child to use.
No sharing. Keep clean my own table. Face mask.
During the pandemic, it really hasn't been difficult to teach the children. I've found it to be very easy, quite actually. The kids came in naturally and wanted to sit in their desk, and they realize that things are different and they're aware of the pandemic and the coronavirus. It is more of a classroom setting, so they raise their hand, they're not getting up too much, so it's made it actually quite easier to teach.
Miss Chaz, can I have Thomas up here? He's going home. Thank you.